Hello everyone, my name is Leena. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be discussing the most important part of KP Astrology, which is the concept of sublord. It is only sublord that makes KP Astrology unique from traditional astrology. It is only sublord that can enhance your horoscope analysis. Those who want to learn KP Astrology but feel stuck looking at so many significators, please watch this video till end because today I will be explaining complete details on sublord. In today's video, I will be explaining sublord in 3 easy steps. Firstly, what exactly is sublord? How to calculate sublord? What is the importance of sublord? And then how to read starlord and sublord, and learn how the sublord can be a game changer. Now before I start, I would like to share that KP Astrology is very simple, but it can be complex initially. But if you have KP Astrology script, you know the technique, how to read starlord, sublord, then it is not difficult. So let's begin. Now first step is to get any software that shows KP coordinators. You can start with free software like AstroSage or Jagannath Hora. Rahu, Ketu, there can be some difference, yes. But you can recheck the script manually also. It is very easy. I have already made a video on Rahu, Ketu in KP Astrology. So those who did not see, they can check my video. Now let's start. What is sublord? See, KP Astrology uses a combination of 3 factors: planet, starlord, sublord. So these 3 will be checked to analyze and predict events in a person's life. See this horoscope. You can see 9 planets and each planet is in some star. And if it is not, then that planet itself becomes a starlord. That is called self-significator. I have already made a video on KP rules, so you can check that video. I believe to understand sublord, first understand about starlord, because sublord is a subdivision of starlord. Now this part is little technical, so please bear with me, it will help you. Trust me, it will help you. A natural zodiac, it is of 360 degrees and there are 12 signs. Each sign is of 30 degrees. So there are 9 planets, 27 stars. These 27 stars are further divided into 9 subdivisions. That is known as sublord. A zodiac of 360 degrees divided into 27 divisions. Each division is of 13 degree 20 minutes. These divisions are known as nakshatras or stars. Each star is of 13 degree 20 minutes. One sign is of 30 degrees and one star is of 13 degree 20 minutes. And there are 4 padas in one star. So one sign includes 2 stars of 13 degree 20 minutes plus 1 pada of next star. Okay, so 13 degree 20 minutes plus 13 degree 20 minutes. These become 2 stars. This is 26 degree 40 minutes. So 26 degree 40 minutes plus 1 star, 1 pada of next star, 3 degree 20 minutes. It's looking complex, but it is not. Just keep in mind that there is one sign and it includes 2 stars plus 1 pada of next star. That's it. So in this sign, 2 complete stars will be included plus 1 pada of 3 degree 20 minutes of next star. So we see Aries sign is here, 30 degrees. Ashwini star is there till 13 degree 20 minutes. Then starts Bharani. And Bharani will be till 26 degree 40 minutes and then 1 pada of Kritika nakshatra will be added. This becomes one sign, Aries sign. After this, Taurus will start and 3 padas of Kritika nakshatra will be included. And then Rohini, Mrikshira and so on, it will be continued like this. So understand this, what is starlord, because you will understand sublord only if you know about starlord. Now we know about starlord. Now what is sublord and how to calculate these sublords? So we know one sign is of 30 degrees. Like Aries sign, it starts from 0 degree. First star is Ashwini, Ketu Nakshatra. So this star of Ketu, 13 degree 20 minutes, will be further divided into 9 subdivisions. These 9 divisions are called sublords. So as you can see on the screen, till 13 degree 20 minutes, this is one star, 13 degree 20 minutes. It's further divided into 9 subdivisions up till here. This is sublord. So first sign Aries, and there's a Ketu star. So first sublord will be of same star. Remember this. And it will go like Vimshotri Dasha sequence. Like it started with Ketu, so then Venus, Sun, Moon, Mars, Rahu, Jupiter, Saturn. Now see, once Ketu star ends at 13 degree 20 minutes, Bharani, the Venus star begins. And first sublord will be of Venus only. Now this duration of sublord will vary according to the number of years allotted to each planet in Vimshotri Dasha. Like Ketu has been given 7 years, so Ketu sublord will change faster than Venus, as this has been given 20 years. So this is star and it will give results. But sublord will state whether the results of star lord will be attained or not. As you can see, this is Ketu star. The sublord is changing as per the degree. And this sublord will decide whether the results given by Ketu will be attained or not. This is the real secret. This research by Krishnamurthy sir is regarded as highly valuable and significant. Now what is the main purpose of sublord? So we know that sublord changes very fast. So if two people are born at a time difference of 10 minutes, like in the case of twins, then it is only through sublord difference we can note the difference in horoscope. We can note how two people have a completely different personality, habits, and even career direction. Because within 10 minutes, the sign did not change, star lord did not change, but sublord changed. And this changes the life events of people born at the same time or time difference of just 10 minutes. Secondly, if you see horoscopes, at times 2 planets or more than 2, they are in the same star. Like in this case, you can see that there are 3 planets in the same star. Ketu is in Venus Nakshatra, Saturn is in Venus Nakshatra, and then Venus itself is in Venus Nakshatra, then Mercury is in Venus Nakshatra. Now you can see the sublord is different. So the results will be different in the planet's dasha. This is the main point you have to remember, that star lord can be same, but due to sublord difference, the entire prediction can be completely different. Now comes the most interesting part, that is how to analyze 3 factors. You will always see these 3 things in your software: planet, star lord, sublord. So planet is Capricorn, so that is Saturn. Then star lord is Moon, sublord is Saturn. These 3 factors will decide. Remember that sign is Capricorn, so there can be hundreds of career options. But if you take star lord, then few dozen will be selected, like Moon in this case. And the sublord will fix the profession, like Saturn traits plus the coordinators. Remember these 3 lines. Planet only shows how the result is brought about. It tells about origin, cause. Star lord shows the results. And sublord denotes whether the outcome will be a success or failure. These 3 points you have to remember: the origin, result, and outcome. And outcome is most important. You got the result, but eventually you did not enjoy the result. Now if you have to read chart for marriage or relationship, then see planet only for source. See star lord for results. Primary number is 7, but so if the 7th house is seen at star lord, it can give marriage. But the sublord will tell that it will give love and harmony in relationship, or dispute, separation, or litigation. Keep in mind that if the sublord supports the star lord result, then only the event will be fructified, otherwise it does not give favorable results. In marriage, if you see 7 at star lord, but sublord shows 4 at 12, then it will give marriage, but ultimately there will be disputes, humiliations and separation. 4, 8, 12. So the sublord is the deciding factor. But if sublord shows 2, 5, 9, 11, like you can see, then it will support marriage. Now many people ask me that if 1 out of 2, 5, 9, 11 it comes, then will it save marriage? So please note this point. Complete combination will be read. If you see 4 at 12 at sublord and only second house is there, then it cannot overpower this complete combination of 4 at 12 that negates marriage. To beat this, you need complete combination like 2, 5, 11, and even if, and along with if 2, 5, 9, 11 you see 4 at 12 also, then those house events will also be faced. So marriage can be saved because 211 is there, so marriage can be saved, but 812 results will also be faced. Remember this point. Similarly, if one has to analyze profession, the sign will only tell about the source of the career. Star Lord will highlight the choices and Sublord will fix a job or whichever combination Sublord supports, that will be the nearest career option. Like in this case, you can see 10th house cusp script. So Capricorn, Moon and Moon. So we see Moon at star and Moon at sublord also. Now you will read the complete script. Best is underline unfavorable combinations. Now come to the source. Source is Moon. So Moon represents travel, home, comfort, human resources, and 4 and 5 it states education, solutions, teachings. Star Lord is Ketu and it involves specialization, special skills in business presentations, teachings, high learnings, upgradation in learnings, which is very important these days, and very ambitious approach in career. So you will use all these coordinators along with planet traits. And finally, sublord Saturn, that will tell about the real result. So that shows first of all traits, struggle, difficulties, disappointment, delay, frustration. And then we see 1, 4, 10. So first house, this states image, your personality. Your 10th house, your status. 4th house, your know-how. So one can be a good trainer, advisor. Through sublord, you will decide whether this supports career journey or there are changes, ups and downs. So we see that 1, 3, 5, 8, 9, 12. These are negative combinations for profession. These are seen in the career script. But we also see 1, 6, 10, 11. Okay, so those will also be faced. And this will be checked through Dasha line. And here I want to share a very important point that we see Ketu shows both combinations. 5 at 12 plus 6, 7, 11. And if one takes best traits of Ketu, like being very humble, works for human welfare, then he will overpower the lower phase and he will use the best of 5th house and 8th house. Okay, so the career journey will involve a lot of struggle and changes because 512 is there. But since 10th house is there, so powerful image. 4th house, know-how, your basic learnings, understanding of the subject. That will supersede the low timeline in career. And running Dasha script will be checked to know the timeline for ups and downs. So sublord will decide whether you will get a job or lose a job, or there can be change in your department. This analysis can be learned with patience and practice on horoscopes. There is no other way. So this way I have explained about sublord in KP Astrology. Lastly, I would say learn astrology with patience because you are studying hidden knowledge of 8th house. It might feel like things are moving too slowly and you're facing confusions and failures. But if you keep learning and practicing, you will eventually see results. I'll be making more videos and share my research experience. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Just keep practicing astrology and enjoy your life.